Hi, Ella. Can I get an ice cream, please?
No, Lacey, I'm sorry. You have to be a mega. Okay.
Sisters, do you want to become a mega with me too? Lacey, I don't know.
Yeah, I'm not sure about this too.
I mean, I'm okay with it. Guys, please. We'll always be together. We'll be with each other inside. Please. You know what? Fine. Yeah, I'm fine with it too. To be honest, same. All I know is we're always going to be inside of each other, just like Lacey said. So, we'll all have an ice cream later. Thank you so much, guys. Ella, I think I can get an ice cream now.
I'll come with you if you want. Come on, let's go.
Thank you.
I'll carry you there, just so, you feel better. Let's go. Okay, we're nearly there, but there's water. Can you swim?
Yeah, I can swim. I got this.
Okay, come on, follow me.
Whoa, what is this place?
This is where you're going to turn into a mega. Come on, let's go.
Wow, look at all the neons. That's like me.
Well, was like you. Let's go. Number 1. Good luck, Lacey. Number 2. Good luck, Macy. Good luck. Final one. Are you ready for this, Tracy? Here you go. Wow, Lacey, you're beautiful.
Thanks. Can I get an ice cream now?
Of course you can. Let's get back. Are you okay?
I just miss my sisters. That's all.
Just remember, they'll always be inside of you no matter what. Okay, let's make an ice cream for our beautiful mega Lacey. Lacey, would you like it in a cone or in a tub?
I'd like it in a cone, please.
Okay. What ice cream flavours would you like?
Can I have all?
Of course you can. And last one. What sauce would you like? Strawberry, caramel, or chocolate?
Strawberry, please.
Okay. Would you like a chocolate wafer, cherry, or both?
I'll have both, please.
Wow, that's beautiful, just like you. Here you go. Here you go. Enjoy it.
Thank you, Ella. If anyone else comes here and has to turn into a neon or mega, I wish you guys luck. And remember, your sisters will always be inside you.
That's right. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. See you in another video.